So I added some lemongrass to a bog filter I have for the koi pond to help filtrate. And I noticed a bush growing along with the lemongrass and got curious and left it alone to see what it would do. And it started growing more and more and it looked pretty woody. So I started doing some research, and from what I could tell, it looks like a willow oak tree. So I decided that I wanted to keep it, and but I wasn't gonna let it grow in the bog filter. So I decided to move it to the backyard. I just needed to pick a place since it's an oak tree we don't have in our area. Here I'm trying to figure out what to do, how to cut it out of the container it grew in, because there was a basket where the lemongrass was growing out of, and trying to figure out how to cut out the tree without hurting it so it would grow, since the root system was growing through the basket.
There's my avocado tree, big palm tree. I'm gonna put it right next to the deck that's next to the water. I'm gonna put it, seems that they like a lot of water. I'm thinking if the roots start digging down near the canal, then I should give it what it wants. So I went ahead and dug a nice hole. I'm gonna add some cow manure and some in-ground soil and try to cut the tree out of this basket. There's some lemongrass that was growing in the koi pond, and it seemed that the tree grew from, probably it got imported with the lemongrass. I don't have any of this type of oaks here. So it's a very unique oak for this area. To try and cut the basket around the tree. Hopefully I don't mess it up. I was able to separate the lemongrass from the oak tree. So let's see. The tree grew pretty funny at a big angle. I need to add some water to make sure this thing starts growing. Pretty cool oak tree. Willow oak. I have plenty of other oaks. I have something called a water oak, which has a bell-shaped leaf. And then I have laurels and live oak. There's a few live oaks. The lemongrass back there, need to clean up all the mess I made. Maybe add some water to the pond.